everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simple Life in the Philippines. For today's video guys, I'm going to make a lumpia. So I'm going to show you on how I make my lumpia. So over here, we have our ingredients. So we have sayuti, we have potato, carrots, onion, and garlic. So yeah, and over here we have our sprouts. And of course, we have our ground beef. It's a ground beef. And don't forget our lumpia wrapper. So, yeah. First, we're going to peel the carrots. Carrots. Potato. And we have our sayuti. Okay, so it's already so now we're going to slice the onion. Sorry guys, my onion's too small, but it's okay. Okay, we have garlic. The onion makes me cry. I'm going to chop the garlic. Next, onion. So I already washed the vegetables guys, so we're going to chop this, all of them. Potato. So I want to have potato here. So okay, now the next thing is the sayuti. So we need to remove the seeds. I think I'm going to use only one of these guys because I think I have a lot. And I only have 50 pesos of lumpia wrapper. So yeah, we'll see. Same procedure guys, what we did the carrots, the potato. So we're going to slice this into small slice. And I mean small, just like a cube style, but it's too thin. So it's more easier to wrap on the lumpia wrapper later. Alright, so we need to add oil. Let's make oil, and then we're going to saute the onion first. Yeah. Okay, next in the onion, we need to put our garlic. Just like that. And then our ground beef. This is our ground beef. Maybe my pot is too small like that. I'll see you later guys. More black pepper, it's good. Let's leave it for a few minutes. Just like that. And now we're going to add our sayuti. We have sayuti here. Okay, the sayuti is already here. So we need to add our potatoes. Okay. I don't want to overcook my vegetables, guys. So I want it to make it half cooked only. Just a little bit quicker. And then oyster sauce also. Yes. Alright. Alright, let's use my baking pan thing. Okay. Yeah. And the last thing later is we're going to add our sprout. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's almost ready. And now guys, we're going to add our sprout. It's already water, also sprout, yeah. My pot is small. You can reduce the fire. Alright, it's ready. Okay, it's done. And now we're going to transfer our food in here so that it's gonna be cooled down a little bit. That's our. We're gonna wrap this one later. So okay guys, this is it. And then now I have this wrapper. I have 50 pesos. I already washed my hands, guys, so it's clean. Just do like this, it's more easier, you know. And then, first thing is we need to separate this one. Put it here. It's one by one. I don't need to wear gloves. No need. This is for the house only. Just, you know. On the side that I already washed my hands. Oh. So yeah. And you know what, guys? Last time, I think 2 days ago, I just tried to make my own lumpia wrapper, but oh my goodness. I don't know what happened, but it's always failed. So I just decided to buy the already made, I mean like this, so that I'm not having headache to make this wrapper. I need to experiment this also, so maybe one day when I want to make lumpia. So I know how to make the wrapper. Oh, it's very, I don't know about this one. It's very thin though. That's why I wanted to make my own wrapper, because some of them you cannot use it because there's plenty of holes. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but look. Yeah. So I just separate this one by one. So now to have the same size, so I'm going to split this a little bit. So I have the same size of what do you call this? Lumpia. So this side I'm going to cut it just a little bit smaller. Like that. So it is perfect. This size is not too big, not too small. It's perfect. Alright. So there you go. So this one, we're going to use this one also. Since the wrapper is too thin, so we're gonna use this one. And start wrapping. Here I have water with flour. Well, try one. Let's see how it works. Oh my goodness, the wrapper is very thin though. So this one, that's why I cut this one, because I'm going to show you. Just like that. So I'm going to put this in here. Since the wrapper is too thin, I'm going to put enough amount, not too much. Well, see, I'm not perfect wrapping the lumpia, guys. So yeah, just like that, and you do like this, and then wrap. Yeah, this is just, oh no, I'm not expert with this. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one in here. Okay. Look at that. It's not perfect. Oh well, but it's okay. And do the same procedure with this too. Just bring a little, just a little. Maybe this one gonna be work. Sorry guys, but I'm not expert wrapping. I know how to cook it, but to wrap, oh no. Oh, it's a little bit better than the first one though. Yeah, look at that. Okay, this one I think is good. Alright. So this one, if I have the good quality of this wrapper, guys, it's more easier to wrap if you have the good quality. That's why next time I'm going to experiment how to make the wrapper. Because this one, it's easy to break, too thin, and there's plenty of holes. Same procedure. there I have leftover here, just a little bit. There's plenty of sauce. Right. I'm going to put rice with that later. So here. Yeah. So we're going to fry this a few these days. Okay? We're going to make maybe 3. Just 3 because maybe I cannot eat it all. So yeah. When I fry my what do you call this, lumpia, guys, I don't put too much oil, just a little bit oil only, because I don't like my lumpia it's swimming in oil. Just like this, just a little. So just 3. I don't know if you can see, maybe it's bright. Oh yes, look at that. There's some people they make lumpia and then it's like the oil it's in here. There's plenty of oil because you know what, when you cook lumpia and then there's plenty of oil, it's more easier and it's more faster also. But mine only. Okay. Ready? Yeah, so let's try this one, guys. Oh, it's crunchy. Hear that? Yes, but it's still hot. Let's eat. I'm gonna try this. I have ketchup here. It's good. That's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!